ones as we have in the country.
And again, the other issue is when we're thinking of having two options. So sometimes these second-hand machines, you can buy them, you are in a project, you start work, and it has a time frame. And suddenly it begins to develop problems here and there, maintenance and repairs and that. So, but if you have a new one, most probably you can take it throughout the project. It can last you for 1, 2, or 3 projects. Okay? Fairly using machines. So that's why unless if you are going to give us warranty, understand warranty and all those things. But we don't want to take risk.
Okay.
Anyhow, that's why we're considering first grade, second hand, and new Chinese models. That's the.
And when we have the two, if for instance the site spot when we need the part, we can talk to you guys so that you send it to us, but our work will not stop because we have another one to continue.
Okay.